I'm back. So I'm going to do number 11 only because number 10 has nice whole numbers and it's really similar to the example. So I want to do something really different where we have some decimals in there. So we start out just the same where I have y equals ab to the x, and I'm going to replace these numbers. So this 2 I'm going to replace with the x, and this 122.5 I'm going to replace with y, and then I'm going to isolate a. So I have 122.5 equals a times b to the 2. And like I said, I want to isolate a, so I'm going to divide out b squared. So where I'm going to pause here for a little bit is I have 122.5 over b squared equals a. So I'm going to stop there. And now I'm going to go to, you look at the other point, and I'm going to plug this in for x and this in for y, and then somehow use substitution where I'm going to plug this into the second equation. So that's what we're doing. We're using substitution. So y is 857.5. A times b to the 3. And I'm going to divide both sides by b to the 3rd. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Out of habit, I started doing that. Not that that's wrong. It's just it may be easier just to stop right there and put this in here for a. So I'm going to replace that for a. So it's 857 equals, instead of a, I'm going to write 122.5 over b squared, and then times b to the 3rd. And again, that's over 1. So that b squared on the bottom is going to cancel out this b to the 3rd up here. So I'm left with 857.5 equals 100. Oops, sorry, my wrist touched the mouse pad. And then now I'm going to divide. Again, if I'm going a little fast, feel free to pause me. So that's what b is going to equal. 857.5 divided by 122.5. So I'm going to get a calculator out. I like using the decimals one, but whatever works. So I had 857.5 divided by 122.5. Oops. 122.5. And I get the answer is 7. So that was nice. So b equals 7. Okay, and then now I need to figure out a. So back up here, that's going to help me find a. It's 122.5 divided by, instead of b squared, it is 7 squared. So it's just really just entering that in. 122.5, we'll clear that. 122.5 divided by 7 squared, which is 49, and I get 2.5. So that's 2.5. So that's a. So my final equation is going to be y equals 2.5 times 7 to the x. So there's my answer. I hope that helped. Feel free to message me if it doesn't.